What's up, guys? In this tutorial, we are learning how to use loft command. This is a really important command in Rhino, and let's see how to do it. You can download all of the files from our website, and I have provided you some models already. Let's learn it from the easiest one. If we do a surface, we should go to Surface Creation Tools and find the fourth one, Loft, with your combo. Select Curves to Loft. Select the curves and press Enter. And you can see there are some options. Normal, loose, tight, straight section, uniform. But for the first one, because the surface is very simple, so when we choose the other style, you can't say it changed. I just select normal one and click OK. And then we do the second one. Press space to repeat my command. And then select the lines one by one. Press Enter. And you can find there are some arrows now. You can click the arrows and change the arrows directions like this. But usually we keep them in the same direction. And also we choose natural options here. We don't usually do automatic. So choose natural. And then press Enter. Now if I change it into another style like loose or straight sections, uniform, tight, you can see the form is changing, right? I just select loose one and click OK. And the next example is the water cubes facade. It's very beautiful. Let's see how to do it. We will learn how to draw these lines in the later tutorials. We don't need to worry about it. We just learn loft command now. Select loft and then select the curves one by one and press Enter. Press Enter again. Then I can choose loose and do not simplify. Click OK. Let us do another one. Press Enter. Select them one by one. Press Enter and choose natural and loose. Cool. Click OK. Select them together. And also, if you can try rebuild with control points, let's do it. If you only input 10, the form is changing. You can see it. It will lose the accurate. If you want to do it, I strongly recommend you can build more control points like 100. It will be much more accurate. Cool. And let's do this one. Select all of the lines. Try how to use automatic one. If we click automatic and press Enter, and this time we can choose close the loft. Let's select it and I just change it into normal style. And do not simplify, click OK. The form will be looks like this. And if I do it in the natural style and press Enter, close the loft, normal, click OK. Then we make a very different model, right? Let's have a look. Very different. Oh, then let's do the last model, mobile strip. Have a look at the picture first. This is a mobile strip, and someone did the building in China, inspired by mobile strip. It's very cool, and we will learn how to build these structures later. Let's do the simple one in this tutorial. We'll select all of the lines and click loft. We choose natural and we can press Enter now. Use close to loft. Click OK. Then we make the first model. if we compare this model and this model, you will find the left part for them are same, but for the right parts they are different, right? How can we build a form like this? Select all of the lines and press enter. Click natural. We can drag this arrow and control the form. You can see this part of the form is going up, so I just drag this arrow to the higher position, and I can press enter and close the loft, click OK. Cool. Then we do the last one. You can see the left part and the right part are same. Let's see how to do it. Natural. Drag this part to the higher position. Press enter. Close the loft. Oh, we made it now. And let's see how to do the smooth volume. I just draw some ellipse. It's very easy. Select all of them. Then we can use loft again. We will learn how to draw these lines later. Don't be worried, okay? And click natural. We need to make sure all the arrows in the same position. So let's say this arrow is in the different position compared to these three. So we need to let them be the same position. You need to turn on your code options in your bottom bar, okay? And also change the arrow direction. Select the code point, change the arrow direction, press enter. You can say this one is a little bit bigger than this one, so if we try loose down and close the loft, click OK, then we made it. Let's see how to do it. This one is very similar to this one. Natural, and drag our arrows. This one is for this position. Press enter, loose close loft, click OK. Cool. And then let's review what we learned in this tutorial. We used loft command to build all of the models. And also we discovered how to use those options in the loft command. Guys, have a practice. See you in the next tutorial.